Oracle Cloud Inventory Receipts. Hi, my name is Linus Erlei and I created this free, easy to follow course so anyone can learn how to use the different receipt routing options in Oracle Cloud. Together, we will walk through the different options for receiving goods into Oracle Cloud's inventory management. And best of all, if you have any questions while taking the training, you can reach out to me directly at any time. So let me show you how to get started right now. Step 1. Go to panameer.com, or if you hate typing, click the link below. Step 2. From the main menu, select Learn, then New Courses, then End Users, and click on Supply Chain Execution. From the Supply Chain Execution page, click the Enroll button within the Inventory Management Learning path and start learning immediately. Don't miss out on this easy-to-learn opportunity. In fact, the whole course is completely for free for the next 30 days, so what are you waiting for? Go check it out right now and I'll see you inside of this free course.